Hey, what's going on, everyone? Good to see you. Another weekly update. So we'll try to keep it short, keep it sweet, just to share with you some things that I've heard, if you haven't heard in the music world, and just some of the things happening on the channel, that sort of thing. So as far as the channel goes, working on a series that's kind of based around using triads. Right now I've got one video out there. It's the major triads and just taking a quick look at it on the surface. Other videos we'll start diving deeper into just how they come together, you know, what they do together as far as those three notes, the whole thing. You'll see. So if you have an interest in that, there's one video up there right now, more to come. I'll try to get those out every week or so ish. So, you know, take a look at it, tell me what you think, basically. So we'll go from there. Still kind of working on the new studio. Actually, you can see some stuff behind me. Finally got some of my posters up. Roscoe, Boss Hog, that one up above me. I don't think you can see the name of it, but it's a Nils Lofgren poster from when he played Stone Pony, which is over 20 years ago now, which is crazy. My guitars, I got other stuff on the other side of the wall, which, you know, as I do these, we'll just switch it around so you can see it, you know, whether you care or not. I'm just trying to do something different. As far as the world of music, some interesting things just in the last, you know, couple days, actually. One, just, I think it was yesterday, Aerosmith announced that they're going to be holding off on a few of the shows coming up. Steven Tyler, I guess, kind of blew his voice out. Second show into the tour. I don't care how old you are, how young you are. I mean, those are some high notes to hit, and if you're doing everything you can to hit it, it's definitely going to have an effect on you. So hopefully it's only a couple shows. They've got to reschedule and then get back out there for the Peace Out tour. I think it's the Peace Out tour for the farewell tour. So, you know, that'd be cool. Springsteen canceled some shows recently. Not feeling too good. So he kept the Jersey shows, but he had a couple of shows on either side canceled. And right now, I don't know if anything else has been rescheduled. He canceled a few from, I guess it was last week. So hopefully that's, you know, nothing major there to worry about. Again, a lot of these people that we've been listening to for years, they're just kind of getting up there. It's getting harder and harder to do. So I don't want to say enjoy it while you can, but I want to be. I'm able to save to a lot of bands. You know, I can go back and say, man, that was a good time. So I caught them at the right time, hopefully. But they're still giving 100%. So, you know, if you can see a band that you like, or even just live music in general, go for it. Any type of live music I'm cool with, because it just shows that you've got some talent and it's worth checking out. So big fan of live music on my end here. Another thing that I think came out yesterday, which was the 12th? Yeah, the 12th. G3. Satriani announced that there will be a new G3 tour coming up. It's actually like an anniversary, I guess, of the first tour they did, where it's Joe Satriani, Steve Vai, and Eric Johnson. So that'd be pretty cool. Right now, tour dates, I believe they are only on the West Coast. So really, I don't remember off the top of my head, but California, Oregon, up that way. I don't even think they come close to Texas yet. So hopefully some shows will be announced for the East Coast, because that'd be a great thing to see. I would love to see that. I saw G3, I guess it's almost 6 years ago now, where it was Satriani, Petrucci, and Phil Collins, Def Leppard. Good show, liked it. But hard to believe that it's 6 years ago, almost 6 years ago. The line of the night, not that anybody really cares, but that gig, Phil Collins opened it up. Petrucci was second. Satriani was the headliner, I guess, if you want to call it that. Petrucci comes out. I want to say the first song he did was Jaws of Life from his first solo album. And then I think it was after that song he comes up to the mic and he goes, because it was in Newark, the NJ Pack over in Newark, and he just said, "Hey, Newark, who knew?" Because it is a beautiful building, and then just, you know, people think of Newark one way or the other, but it was a cool show, good building. If you haven't been there yet, check it out. But that's all I got for now. We'll try to keep it rolling every week or so, just give you some updates. The other thing is I have started working on a real stripped down tutorial of the Boss GT3. I'm really going to take a step back here. We're not going to try to dial in tones. We're going to walk you through how to do the things that you want to do with some of those switches, everything that goes on with it. I think I can kind of get you in a good spot, and then you can kind of take it from there, right? So thanks again. We will see you on the next one. Later.